Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on went, world, just, kind. So let's start with the first word went. Went to, went out, went on, went back, went away. Where did Sophia go? She went to the market. We went to the garden. The children went to play. The children washed their faces and went to bed. The tourists went back to their respective countries. We went out at sunrise to go bird watching. I went to the park yesterday. Sam went to the kitchen to make tea. The alarm went off at 5 a.m. The next word is world. W-O-R-L-D, world. My world, our world, around the world, new world. Earth is our world. I have a map of the whole world. Technology has completely changed the world. We live in a civilized world. Recycling is one way to save the world. I'm the happiest woman in the world. I'll travel the world. Can you imagine a world without internet and cell phones? No, I can never imagine that. The world population is growing rapidly. The next word is just. J-U-S-T, just. Just right. Just then. Just now. You came at just the right moment, ma'am. These t-shirts are on sale just now. I just saw Nisha in the lobby. I just noticed the dent on the car. Nia, you're just like your mother. Ruby just had a baby. I just bought a new house. I just bought a new house. Had you dinner? Yes, we just ate dinner. Where's your father? He just left. The fourth word is kind. Kind of. Very kind. Kind enough. Be kind to everyone. Wenky's used to have one kind of fried chicken, but now they have two kinds. My mother is always kind to me. My father is an extremely kind person. It was very kind of you to help Rita. Reena has the same kind of shoes as me. Reena has the same kind of shoes as me. Mickey always eats the right kind of food. Comedy is my favorite kind of movie. The store had books of every kind. With this, we have finished a set of 20 words. So, let's revise those 20 words. Three, try, take, through, think, turn, to, tell. Work, where, want, well, why, went, world. Under, us, very, just, kind. With this, we have hit a double century. We have completed 200 words. I am sure if you have followed my lessons from the beginning and practiced for at least 30 minutes daily, you have already completed 50% of your journey towards speaking English confidently. Keep practicing the 200 English words of Focus First and Second series. From tomorrow, we will start the Focus Third series and learn 100 new words from 201 to 300. So that's all for now. Meet you in my next class with a new series of Focus Third. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.